In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and view tasks in Google Chat using /commands. To get started, open Google Chat on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in, decide where your task belongs by opening a conversation or a space. A conversation is great for one-on-one or small group chats, while a space is better for a team or project room. Choosing the right place at the start helps keep tasks organized and visible to the people who need them. Click into the message box, the same field you use to send regular messages. Make sure you see the blinking cursor so you know you're typing in the right spot. Now type /task. This tells Google Chat you're about to work with tasks and brings up the commands you can use. You'll see two helpful options. Use /add task to create a new task, or use /list tasks to see what's already on the board for that conversation or space. Pick the one that matches what you need right now. If you're adding something new, choose Add Task and immediately type your task in plain language right after the command in the same message. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented, so it's obvious what needs to be done. For example, you might write something like, "Review the quarterly report." Being specific makes it easier for everyone to understand and follow up later. When your task looks good, press Enter. That sends the command and creates the task right in the conversation or space you're in. You'll see it posted so you can confirm it was added, and others in that room can see it too, keeping everyone aligned. If you want to check what's already been created, choose List Tasks. This is a quick way to get a current snapshot of tasks associated with that conversation or space without leaving the chat window. It's especially useful before adding something new so you don't duplicate work. A few quick tips as you use this flow. Double-check you're in the correct conversation or space before adding a task, so it ends up where the right people can see it. Keep your task descriptions consistent, using clear verbs and keywords you'll recognize later. And if the command doesn't seem to run, verify that you typed it exactly as shown, starting with the /. That's it. Open Google Chat, go to the right conversation or space, click the message box, type task, choose either Add Task or List Tasks, type your task if you're adding one, and press Enter. With this simple routine, you can keep work visible and moving forward directly inside Google Chat.